Located a few miles off the coast of Belize, Ambergris Key measures some 25 miles long and a mile wide. It's the country's largest island and the population is growing at a fast pace. In the past years, the island has been attracting a growing number of tourists and locals. The demand for certain services and necessities is also on the rise. Authorities on the island responsible to respond to medical emergencies are faced with many challenges, including limited resources. In order to change that, the Rickilee Response and Rescue Team RRR facilitated a 4-day training session for volunteers on the island. Supervisor Philip Leslie says RRR is broken down into two sections.
RRR is an entity that is coming to empower our people with equipment and training. The RRR has two portions. RRR Water Rescue, where we have volunteers that are ready on the field, and those are the tour operators. And we empower them with equipment. We empower them with training if they need. The second portion of RRR deals with land and water evacuation. Yes, the operators can save somebody and bring them all the way to the edge of the beach. How do we transport them to a health center, a proper health center? What if that health center doesn't have the facilities here? How do we transport them to a further, better medical center?
The training saw the participation of representatives from the Belize Police Department, rangers who patrol the Hull Chan Marine Reserve, and tour guides.
Our team is very small, but we depend on volunteerism. So that's why we're training them so that when they volunteer, they know how to respond.
How important is it for the residents?
We found out for the past 2 years that we're going around, we found out that that was a lacking portion on the island. How do we treat somebody that's 10 miles up north and ends up feeling that they're having a heart attack? How do we treat it? Well, then we have people medically trained to be able to quickly respond and bring them to a medical facility.
RRR's success is due to many of its volunteers. Leslie says that the success of the young organization can be measured by the number of people it has assisted.
We are seeing the success of it. We are answering calls for people falling off of golf carts. We are answering people that are getting dehydrated, especially up north where it is hot and not much wind like Secret Beach. We are answering so many calls with RRR. That is what the success is.
Hipolito, Novelo, News 5.